What are we filming, honey?
Eating Chicago pizza. Chicago pizza.
Ew.
Good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Monica, is it good? You eating French fries.
We're eating my French fry.
Where's your pizza? Is it cheesesteak? Chicago cheesesteak?
Chicago cheesesteak.
Huh?
I don't know how to use a fork and knife.
You know how to use a fork and knife.
No, I
How are you
don't.
looking, boys? You like it?
Love it.
Love it?
I'll
That's
just
great.
eat it the right way.
See, Chris got the right idea, though. Now he's using the fork.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.